I am Ainiki from TTW's Boys Ibrahimpatnam. And my topic is gestures. Do you know gestures? Gestures is moving your hands and body. Gestures will play crucial role in speaking with others. I will show you a few gestures will make your conversation perfect or interesting. Whenever you say I, me, myself, for example, my hobby is watching movies. I am smart. You can choose me as your knowledgeable partner. And we use pointing finger to show directions or anything. Instead of pointing finger, we have to use open palms. For example, this is my knowledgeable partner. Yesterday it rained heavily. Today is the second day of May. Now you all know the importance of gestures, and I am sure that you will use gestures and make your conversation perfect. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.